88% of AI projects never make it past the pilot, and almost none of them die because the technology failed. They die for reasons that have nothing to do with AI and everything to do with how it was set up. Here's the pattern. A company gets excited, they run a pilot, the demo looks incredible and everyone's nodding their head in meetings. And then, 6 months later, there's nothing in production. The budget's spent, the momentum's gone, and then any time anyone mentions AI, everyone goes quiet. If that's you, you're not falling behind, you're just stuck in something I like to call the pilot trap. And it's the biggest devastator in corporate AI right now. This matters in 2026 more than ever for one reason. The spend went up, but the success rate didn't. Agentic AI is a top enterprise priority right now. The value is in the trillions and the budgets have ballooned. But more money put into a broken process just generates more expensive failures. I run an AI consultancy, and I'll be honest, most of my work isn't starting AI projects, it's resuscitating ones that have stalled. So I've seen the autopsy report, and let me give it to you. The 12% that reach production share the 4 same traits. 1. A named person with budget authority, not a committee, not the innovation team, one person who owns the outcome and can spend to fix it. Projects with a real owner ship. Projects owned by everyone die. A project with no name is like a gym membership with nobody's name on it. Nobody shows up. 2. A workflow scoped to a binary outcome. The winners don't build an AI assistant, they automate one workflow with a yes or no success test. Reduce first response time on a customer ticket from 4 hours to 10 minutes. That's scoped. Use AI to improve customer experience. That's a graveyard. 3. They measure cost per tasks, not vibes. The survivors track what each completed task actually costs, including human review, including errors, and compare it to the old way. If you can't put a number on it, you can't defend it at budget time. And undefended projects get cut. 4. They ship and roll back without drama. The 12% put a human in the loop for the first 60 to 90 days, and then they treat rollback as data, not failure. The 88%, they wait for perfect, they demo forever, and they never cross that line into real use. Make it concrete. A services firm wants AI for operations. That's too vague. The reframe is auto-draft client weekly reporting from our data. One workflow, binary, measurable, and it ships in 2 weeks. Case 2, a support team wants an AI agent. So you scope it, auto triage and tag every new inbound ticket. Draft a reply for human approval. Human in the loop. Cost per task tracked, rolled out to one queue first. That's a production system, not a demo. There's 3 traps to avoid. 1. Boiling the ocean. Trying to transform everything instead of nailing one workflow. 2. No owner, the silent killer. 3. Chasing the newest models instead of shipping outcomes. The newest model won't save a project that has no owner and no scope. Honestly, the boring last generation model in a well-scoped workflow beats a new shiny model in a vague one. Every time. So this week, do 4 things. 1. Pick one painful, repetitive workflow. 2. Name one owner with budget. 3. Write the binary success test, the exact number that means it worked. 4. Define the cost per task that you're comparing against. Do only that and you're already operating like the 12%. Zoom out. The companies winning with AI in 2026 are not the ones with the most pilots. They're the ones with the fewest unfinished ones. Discipline beats novelty. The execution gap is the whole game, and it's more of a management problem than it is a technology problem. If your AI project stalled or you want to make sure your next one doesn't, I put together a free pilot to production audit. It's a short framework that puts together exactly which of the 4 you're missing. Links in the description. No pitch, just the diagnostics. The newest models are exciting. The company that ships the boring workflow this quarter beats the one still demoing the exciting one next year. Pick your one workflow, name the owner, and then go ship it.